They try to bury us, but you can't bury prophecy. The land remembers our name. They say the ones who stayed won't rule the throne. It's the ones who left now scattered, coming home. Erase our past, rewrite what's true, but every lie still bleeds right through. Digging up graves, trying to kill the sign, but memories rooted deep in time. Earth still knows who walked this ground, and when we wake, the walls come down. History switched, names rewritten, but prophecy still breathing and spitting. They fear the blood that crossed the seas, that's proceeds in foreign streets. We weren't gone, we were prepared. Power grows when it's been spared. Hmong rising from the flame, burned trees screaming out our name. We left in silence, back in force. Destiny locked on ancient course. Roots deep, even upside down. Lost the crown, now we reclaim ground. They try to erase, but here we stand. White dragon back to claim the land. Yo, lost the war cause betrayal inside. Brother soul brother just to survive. Corruption cracked the strongest wall. Kingdoms don't fall, people fall. Elders knew what the future held, so they planted truth where lies were dealt. Tree upside down, roots to the sky. If it grows, we never die. 600 years, still standing strong. Waiting on blood to prove them wrong. First step back on ancestral stone. Fire erupted, signal shown. That wasn't luck, that wasn't fate. That was power past the gate. Hmong rising from the flame, burned trees screaming out our name. We left in silence, back in force. Destiny locked on ancient course. Roots deep, even upside down. Lost the crown, now we reclaim ground. They try to erase, but here we stand. Mom, back to claim the land. America born, but blood stays old. Ancient spirits in modern clothes. We didn't forget, we were asleep. Now the ancestors speak when we breathe. Red dragon watching, nervous eye, cause legends don't fade, they rise. Yeah. This ain't revenge, it's correction. Truth returning to its direction. Not just land, it's memory, identity, ancestry. When the scatter start marching home, empire shaking flesh and bone. This ain't myth, this ain't lore, this is what they fear the most. Rising near the sound, mountains shaking, earth unbound. From exile roads to sacred land, prophecy fulfilled by hand. They bury truth but seeds survive. We come back stronger, more alive. Not lost, not dead, just ready then. Risen again. Yeah. The fire was the warning. The return is next.